Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the clock spring assembly. You got to take the steering wheel off, and this is on a Honda Civic. It's the same on certain model Honda Accords on the second generation, mid-90s. This one's broke. The wiring harness is broke underneath the column, so we just cut it off right here after we pulled the wheel off. And it's got 3 screws that hold it on. One right here. One right here, and one right there. Remove those 3 screws. Then you can pull it right off and unplug it and replace your new one. Hopefully, I found this video useful on how to replace the clock spring assembly. If you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and y'all have a great day.